Hello, I am Saurabh Chakraborty from Calcutta. I have completed my master's degree in physics from Vidyasagar University. After that, I have taken BA training. I am a science teacher by profession. I have been teaching students science and math for more than 6 years. I teach students of all boards. I really like to teach them, and I really appreciate very much to discover the potential and talents in a student. Today I will teach a topic that is color coding of carbon register in physics. It is very important topic because in case of physics practical we can see that to design a circuit diagram we have to use this carbon register several times. So I will teach you this topic today. Let's see. Color coding of carbon register. In a carbon register there are 4 bands. From these 4 bands, band 1 and band 2 represents number, that is magnitude. Band 3 represents the multiplier, that is order of magnitude. Band 4 represents the tolerance, that is variation in percentage from the given value. Now, in band 1, 2 and 3, these 3 bands have colors, that is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey and white. These colors can be present in these 3 bands. Each color represents a certain number which is written in this table, such as black represents 0, brown represents 1, red represents 2 and so on. And in case of 4th band, this band is called tolerance band. This band can have 2 colors, gold or silver, or it has no color. If it has gold color, then it represents 5% tolerance. If it has silver color, then it represents 10% tolerance, and if it has no color, it represents 20% tolerance. Now we will determine the resistance. We will calculate the resistance by this formula given here. Resistance will be band 1 band 2 into 10 to the power band 3 plus minus 4th band in ohm. To understand, we will calculate 2 examples, such as here we take a resistance. Here the first band and the second band is red and black. So red, we know that the red have the value 2 and black have the value 0. So red will be 2 and black is 0 into orange, that is 3, 10 to the power 3 in ohm. So the resistance is 20 kilo ohm. Now the 4th band is gold in color, so the tolerance will be plus minus 5% of this. Plus minus 5% of this will be 1 kilo ohm. So this resistance will vary from 19 to 21 kilo ohm, because it is here we can see that it is plus or minus, so it will be more than 20 kilo ohm or less than 20 kilo ohm by 1 kilo ohm. Now next we see another example, that is yellow and green. Yellow means 4 and green means 5, that is 4 and 5. 3rd band is red, that is multiplier is red, so 10 to the power 2 ohm. So 4500 ohm, that is 4.5 kilo ohm. The tolerance is silver in color, so it is plus minus 10 of this value. 10% of this means 0.45 kilo ohm, so this ohm will be 45 kilo ohm. 0.10% of this means 45 kilo ohm, so this will be in this range 4.05 to 4.95 kilo ohm. Okay. Sometimes it is difficult to remember which color represents which number. So there is a trick by which you can easily remember which color represents which number. Here there is a sentence written. I will read it. It is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. I will read it again. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. Here B, that is represent black. It is first in number, so we will number it as 0. Then it comes B. This B is brown. After that it comes R. It is red. Then O comes. We will say it orange. Then Y, it is yellow. Great, it represents green. Britain represents blue. Has very represents violet. Good represents grey. And Y represents white. So B.B. Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. If you remember this sentence, you can remember which number represents which color, or which color represents which number. Hope you understand this topic properly. Thank you.